Wait, what? Universal is about to have 2 closures? What's going on, everybody? Rick here, back at Universal Studios Orlando, and we have some really good updates for you today. We're gonna start though with 1 of 2 closures. And by the way, this video is just sick with rumors and theories. If that's not your thing, this might not be the best video for you. But if you like rumors, oh, you're gonna have a good time. Hollywood Boulevard. This is the home stretch of Universal's Superstar Parade, but multiple outlets, not just me, reporting they are going to end the Superstar Parade at the end of this month. That's right, they are closing down the parade. At least that's the rumor. This has not been confirmed by Universal, but like I said, multiple outlets are reporting this. Personally, I would not be too disappointed if this rumored closure of the Superstar Parade ended up being true. My honest opinion, I felt like the parade was kind of a weaker offering when it comes to theme park parades, and plus, the floats. The floats were looking a little worn. They are definitely in need of some TLC. The funny thing is, even though I said that floats are in need of some TLC, they could still be used as backdrops to character meet and greets. That is one thing we're hearing, that the parade may go away, but the floats still used for those meet and greet backdrops. So you let me know in the comment box below. Are you like me? Don't really care that the Superstar Parade goes away? Or are you extremely disappointed it may go away? The other rumored closing is on the other side of the park. We'll talk about that when we get there. That one makes me more nervous. The Superstar Parade closing, that's been talked about by multiple outlets, as I've said. This other thing, I'm the only one saying it, so it makes me a little nervous, so stay tuned for that one. But let's talk about some facts now. The fact is, Central Park Crepes, they have added 2 new crepes. They took 2 away though. They have added the vegan berry, which is fresh blueberries, coconut whipped topping, vegan cream cheese, toasted almonds with a raspberry sauce. They've removed the lemon blueberry for this. And then they have a new savory crepe, which is the pork carnitas for $10.99. It's braised pork shoulder, grilled peppers and onions, cilantro puree, cheese and tomato salsa. And like I said, this one, the savory one, is $10.99, while the sweet one, the vegan berry, is $9.99. We're gonna come back here a little bit later and try that pork carnitas. Try the savory one. I am disappointed though that they switched out the lemon blueberry, which in my opinion was the best sweet one. So, oh, I'm excited for the new crepes, but sad that that one left. Like I said, I'll come back here a little bit later. Stay tuned and we'll try the savory one. Let's head into the kids zone, see if there are any updates in there besides the fact the little spinny thing, it's not spinning. Character hugs are back at meet and greets, but Squidward does not seem like the hugging type. Here in Fievel's Playland, we've already seen construction walls. We know they're fixing the netting in here, but now they have added scaffolding, continuing to make improvements in Fievel's Playland. I'm just hoping they have it done for the kiddos by their summer break. Springfield music montage.
His name is Rick, her name is Nikki, showing how theme parks are done. Don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun, hit subscribe.
Look what they have inside the Quickie Mart. Kang and Kodos plushies. Each one is $55. Look at this. Comes with a book. How to Cook for 40 Humans. Adorable. And here is a long sleeve t-shirt I have not noticed before. It says, donuts. $27 for this long sleeve t-shirt. Looking for a Father's Day's gift? Dad will look good in this donut shirt for $45. When it comes to the Sledge Homer, I'm still hearing this will be switched over to a different game. I just heard that they just got the permitting to tear down this structure and to build a new one. So maybe in 3 to 6 months, a new game here in Krusty Land. Still no evidence of a Halloween Horror Nights house over here by MIB. But I think I have it all figured out. Wait till you hear this. The haunted house that usually goes here by the MIB attraction, that's going to go into the Fast and Furious attraction area. That's not the big surprise. We kind of figured that out. But the thing is, another area that usually has a house is being rethemed. Shrek 4D, one of those theaters, usually turned into a Halloween Horror Nights house. But they can't do that this year. So where is that house going to go? My prediction? Somewhere in the Blue Man Group attraction area. All I can say is make sure you're subscribed with the bell notification button clicked so you're notified of future videos so you can see or find out if I'm right about the Blue Man Group housing a haunted house this year. Oh man, this video is just sick with cool updates, and I just found out something new just this moment I'll share in a little bit. But first, let's head into Diagon Alley. Let's do a quick wait time check on Gringotts. That will give us a feel for how busy or not busy the park is today. May 12th, a little after noon, Gringotts is a 45-minute wait, which tells me I should classify today as a moderately busy day. It's just moderate. It's not light, not heavy. Moderate is the correct term, I think. Had it been an hour, I would call today a busy day. 30 minutes, I would have called today a light day. Okay, I'm getting hungry. I want to make my way back to the Crepes, but I'm not going to make you wait until after I eat to give you that other big closing and what's going to replace it news. Let's go there right now. But first, check it out. My secret bench spot in the shade must still be a secret. Unoccupied at the moment. That's okay, I'll keep using it myself. You know what though, there's some updates along the way. I better give you those as they happen. Here at the start of the San Francisco area, the summer food truck has opened up, featuring some Nashville hot chicken mac and cheese and a hot honey biscuit. $10.99 for the mac and cheese and $13 for the hot honey biscuit. The summer food truck in the New York area though has not opened yet. And here's a minor development. The construction walls that had once surrounded the Sahara Traders, which is now being used as a temporary Classic Monsters tribute store, have been removed. This area feels so opened up now. The only construction walls we have right there by the very entrance of the Mummy. I told you a week or two ago I thought the Monsters Cafe was going to close, and it has. It is closed right now. I was only pondering, would it be a permanent close or a temporary close? I am now committing to saying this is going to be closed permanently here at Studios to perhaps reopen at the Classic Monsters land that's going into Epic. But what will they put in here now that I think it's going to be closed forever? What will the Monsters Cafe become? I have a theory. Across the way from the old Monsters Cafe is coming the new Minions attraction. So, I'm going to say the Monsters Cafe will become a Minions Cafe. And now, it's time for you to blow up the comment section. What do you think of my theory? Because this is not confirmed by Universal, so technically a rumor. What do you think of the theory of the Monsters Cafe becoming the Minions Cafe? Let me know in the comment box. Even if my theory of the old Blue Man Group attraction becoming a haunted house for HHN 31 is not true, maybe there's another backstage area they could use back here for that haunted house, if they don't end up using the old Blue Man Group attraction. I mean, after all, it is just a theory, and I am the only one saying it, I think. Alright guys, let's go show you some new food. There is a new flatbread, I think, in the Today Cafe, but we're gonna save that until next week. We're gonna go back and get that crepe right now. When we were here by the Crepes earlier, there was like no one in line. I bet it's gonna be long right now. That's just my luck. We have decided to go with the pork carnitas. It was a tough decision. I almost went with that new berry one, but we'll do that next time. Get the savory one today. All right, here it is. The pork carnitas crepe. No peppers for me. Let's see how I like this one so far. There hasn't been a crepe I haven't liked. And now it's time for Rick's quick food review of the pork carnitas crepe. I don't have like anything really good to say about it or anything really bad to say about it. It was, you know, it was pretty good. Nothing was outstanding. I would say of the savory crepes that I've had, the brisket and like the chicken one they used to have, I think I would rate those two above the pork, but it was still pretty good. But I think what I have come to realize when it comes to the crepes, the savory or the sweet, I think I really do prefer the sweet crepes. So I think that might be playing into my reaction to the pork, is that when I ordered the pork, I wanted it. I wanted savory. By the time I got it, I wanted sweet. So I'm a little disappointed I didn't get the new sweet one. So all in all, a solid effort by the food and beverage team. I can't wait until next week when I try the new sweet one though. I have some good news for everybody. More theme park magic, more theme park fun is ready for you. I've picked out another video for you to watch. It's right here. All you have to do is click it. Don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun, click it.